Hey guys, it's Isaac here, back with another video. This week's MOC is the underground zombie bunker. As you can see, this is quite a large MOC, and it's packed full of details. Up on the top here, as you can see, we have the overworld with some grass, weeds. The zombies have pretty much taken over the overworld, and so it's kind of turned into a wasteland. But there are still some signs of humanity. There's an old broken shack. Got a fence there, a little burnt out campfire. This darker green area right here is the trap door. That's how they get down to the underground bunker. Just lift up on this handle and the whole thing comes off, and you can see there's stairs leading down into the bunker below. The top is easily removable so that you can get down to the underground bunker. As you can see, this area is sort of a cave where they have their machinery and weapons. All of their equipment is stored underneath there. They've got a lot of just random stuff. And you can see two other minifigures here suiting up to go up to the overworld. These stairs lead up to this balcony here. We've got another minifigure on the balcony and a door through to the kitchen. There's a nice kitchen here. You've got an opening fridge and just all the kitchen things that you would need. Down underneath the kitchen is the strategy room. This is where they plan out missions and attacks. As you can see, there's a door over here leading from the preparation cave to the strategy room, and another door here which goes over to the other half of the build, which is the bedrooms. The balcony also has the stairs leading up to the overworld, which is what the trapdoor lines up with there. This room on the far end is the machinery area. This is where they can get to all of their air conditioning and systems to keep them functioning. As you can see, you've got the scientist up here on the balcony, and that doorway behind him leads to the kitchen, and underneath another doorway coming from the strategy room, lights and buttons, and the maintenance worker guy there. On the back side over here are the bedrooms. As you can see, they've got 6 bunks for people to sleep in. This is the door over here that goes to the strategy room, and they've got a few kids there playing with the train set. And I also put posters and items up on the walls just to show how the different heroes have customized their bedroom. They've got a little pet cat there as well. This is the back side of the preparation cave. It's open from all angles so that you can see the different sides. There's also a really cool function built in using Power Functions lights. The battery box is hidden right underneath here. Just switch that on, and it's hooked up to this switch here. Turning that on switches on to both this lantern here, and it also turns on this light over in the machinery room. It flashes green. Okay, we have almost all the lights off, and that's completely off. The lantern's pretty bright, but it doesn't really illuminate the bunker very well. And there's the green light. Alright guys, that's about all I have for you today. As always, I hope this MOC inspired you to create, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye everyone.